E-discovery vendors versus law firm discovery teams. Which one is better for complex document review? Most people assume that law firms handle all document review in-house, but the surprising truth is that e-discovery vendors can provide faster, more cost-effective solutions for complex cases. Law firm discovery teams are embedded, experienced, and intimately familiar with clients' cases. They handle document collection, review, and analysis while maintaining strict confidentiality. However, large-scale cases with millions of documents can overwhelm internal teams, increasing costs and slowing timelines. E-discovery vendors specialize in managing massive document volumes using advanced software, AI-assisted review, and specialized teams. For example, in multi-jurisdictional litigation involving tens of millions of emails, e-discovery vendors can identify relevant documents quickly, tag key evidence, and ensure regulatory compliance. They scale resources as needed, reducing the need for excessive in-house staffing and cutting overall costs. So which is better for complex document review? For smaller cases or those requiring deep contextual understanding, law firm teams are ideal. For high-volume, multi-source or cross-border discovery, e-discovery vendors offer efficiency, speed, and access to specialized technology that most law firms cannot replicate internally. The key takeaway is that combining both approaches often yields the best results. Law firms provide strategic oversight and client knowledge, while e-discovery vendors manage large-scale document handling efficiently. The surprising truth is that outsourcing discovery doesn't diminish control, it enhances accuracy, reduces costs, and allows legal teams to focus on analysis and strategy instead of manual review. Strategic use of e-discovery vendors can be a game changer for any complex litigation.